Pour your rice and your water straight into your air fryer. I am showing you how to make rice entirely inside your air fryer. Let's make some Tex-Mex rice. I just put in a packet of some yellow rice, add into their salsa. Now this is where you can really have fun. Just kind of customize this however you'd like. I'm serving a big crowd, so my one packet of yellow rice just simply won't cut it. So just add in some more rice straight into there, into that water. And this is where you're gonna really customize it. Now there's obviously some veg already in our salsa, but I want to add some even more vegetables. So I'm just going to take this little bit of red onion, just give that a good chop. That's going to go straight into our rice as well. Onion just straight from here into rice. Now, again, have fun with this. For a little bit of spice, I'm going to do a little bit of jalapeno. I'm just going to take very little. I think there's already going to be enough spice in there. So just chop that up, chop, chop, chop. A little bit of jalapeno goes straight into there as well. Look at that. Now, I think that could probably use a little bit more water. So water goes in there. Then I'm gonna add in even more seasoning. A little bit of chili powder goes in. That's gonna be a very spicy, delicious rice. Add in our garlic powder and bam, just grab a spoon, mix that up. Look at that. Easy as that. Now you could cook this in a pan, but maybe you find yourself in a location where you don't have a flame. So all you need to do then is take this, turn on your air fryer, air fry 400, and we're gonna cook this now for 30 minutes. Start, and rice will be ready soon. All right, let's check on this. Oh, okay, I mean, the top looks kind of a little crusty, but oh yeah, look at that. That is some cooked rice. Oh my God, I just wanna stuff that in a burrito. That looks absolutely incredible. Now, I think it needs a little bit more time, but I wanna add a little bit of citrus in there just for a little bit of acidity. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of lime juice. Wow, this lime has almost no juice in it. Okay, a little sneeze of lime juice in there, which I don't know if this is gonna literally do anything. There is no juice in this lime. Okay, that was a very disappointing lime, but whatever, let's keep mixing this up. I feel like this could probably use a few more minutes, but can we just get nice and close? Look at that. Beautiful Tex-Mex rice made in the air fryer. It's still a little bit wet, so let's just put it back in. Oh, actually I smell the citrus. Okay, maybe it's in a little bit. Back in, let's keep on air frying, and then it should be ready in a few minutes. Okay, check that out. Our rice is done, made entirely in the air fryer. Now I know what you're thinking, Eitan, why do you ever do this? You just do it on the stovetop. Well, maybe the gas went out. Maybe you are somewhere where all you have is electricity and an air fryer, and you are in need of some Tex-Mex rice. I mean, look right here. You can do it in your air fryer. Perfectly cooked rice. It's nice and moist. It is full of flavor. I'm gonna let that cool, and then we're gonna give it a try. It should be delicious. It's delicious. It's beloved for a reason. You know, I could stuff this in a burrito, and a taco. I mean, truly, the options are endless. What can I say? The air fryer never fails us.